My favorite part is the liberty that she gives us, like our Latin roots that she lets us take out, like just out of our comfort zone, and like just everything that she lets us cook, talk, whatever we want.
They actually get high school credit for it. They also get their certification, so if they should want to go, especially in high school, as a job at a restaurant or somewhere like that, some food service industry place, they can go ahead and they have a better chance of getting the job. If there's 10 other kids applying for that job and they have their ServSafe certification, they're going to be, looked upon as, oh, they already know about food safety, they already know about prep work, all of the different aspects of the restaurant.
Just have fun. Express yourself. Don't be scared to cook whatever you want.